Okay, so now we are looking at cropping. For me, essentially in poster design, I would say cropping is probably the most important design principle to create that sense of hierarchy and really to allow you to use those letter forms when you use them on your poster as image um, to kind of break them down away from looking just like letters. So by cropping them in different ways, you form new shapes that create new aesthetics for your poster. So if we look here, starting with a K in the middle, on any program you're using, you'll have this perimeter here. So that literally means the edge of your page. Anything that hangs off there when you save your final JPEG or PNG, whatever it may be, that will chop off, or in the correct terms, that will crop whatever's sitting outside those lines. So essentially what I mean by that, if we are to put that over the side there, this section here, anything in the grey area will be cropped. Okay, so using these letters, okay, just gonna have some fun there. Grab another letter, two letters maybe. Haven't used the R yet. In the same colour. So I'm really going to heavily use cropping in this one, just to show you what I mean. So again, you can see we're creating that sense of hierarchy through scale, not proportion, because we're not changing the proportion, but we're using different scales for the letters. So then what we can do, transform, reflect, that'll mirror my letters exactly. And then we've got this nice negative space here. Again, I've got my type down the bottom here as one of the rules. Let's have a look at the poster. So now you can see we've created a really dynamic happy accident here. It looks like there's eyes on the side, almost looks like cheekbones here. And then we've got this negative space. This almost works as the mouth. So by using cropping, you can really see how dynamic you can make your poster and the happy accidents that can occur from using cropping. So I think that's a really, really important one, that regardless of what design principle you're focusing on, cropping really allows you to use the extent of the whole page rather than just having boring letters sitting in the middle of a page.